Hello Internet. This video is a response to the air ventilator video. Link in the doobly-doo. This is my version of the least viable ventilator. This system is based on a linear compressor because it's robust, cheap, and oilless. The brain box is Arduino based, a simple on-off switch for X and Y amount of seconds. It controls the solenoid valve with just open or close positions. They're both 12-volt powered. The restriction you see here is just the screw clamping the tubing. The left restriction on the diagram here controls the airflow to the patient, and on the right controls the breathe pressure. O2 supply is optional and will be needed in some patients. You can control the amount of oxygen, but there is no reading or anything. It's just simple flow control. The air goes through the compressor to the patient and exits through the valve. I designed this to be simple. It also has to be robust, cheap, and off the shelf. We don't have a lot of small industry in my country, so I'm using off the shelf hobby electronics I have available. It's a bypass system with PEEP control and has variable oxygen. Con 1. No air volume reading. The operator will have to check the volume is correct. Con 2. No overpressure blow off valve. It can be included if needed. Con 3. No humidifier. I don't think ambient air needs humidification. It can also be added if needed. If you have thoughts, leave them down below. Thank you.